I'm back with another episode of Bizperation Top 5. My name is Christy Jackson. I'm an entrepreneurship coach and speaker, and I love bringing these videos to you. Each time I learn some new information to help you grow your business, I am so excited to sit down and share what I've learned to help stretch you, to help challenge you, and to encourage you to think differently. So this week, our top 5 is 5 ways to build wealth. How many of you have seen those posts on Facebook where people say, this is my year to be a millionaire? And I think those are amazing and encouraging. And hey, I'm not saying I don't want to be a millionaire. But the question that I ask is, what are you going to do with the money when you get it? Do you have the discipline, the information, the knowledge about money, how to use it, how to keep it, and really have a clear understanding so that you can continue to have wealth? Here's what we've learned. Tip number 1. Don't focus solely on saving money. Income and wealth are not the same thing. Actually, money is the lowest level of wealth. And we're going to talk about those other levels so that you understand what I mean. Money can only take you so far. So this brings us to tip number 2. Leverage your relationships. Relationships are the real currency that get you what you need. Even if you don't have money, if you have the right relationships with individuals that can help connect you to what you need, you're still winning. And it's not just about using those relationships. That's why I use the word leverage. It's a give and a take relationship. Understand what value that you offer to each other. Number 3, here's the true secret to wealth. Give more than you hope to receive. Giving is not bound by money. Giving can be done through your time, through your talent, and your treasure. The more you sow, the more you set yourself up to receive. Number 4, owning land and property. Because both of these can be bartered or sold at a rate that you decide. So if you ever have the opportunity to purchase land or property, that's an excellent investment in building your wealth. And number 5, which is my favorite, becoming an entrepreneur. Becoming an entrepreneur puts you in the driver's seat of how much wealth you want to acquire. And yes, becoming an entrepreneur is not easy and it's not for everyone. But for those of you that have decided that this is the path that you want to take, it is an excellent opportunity to build true wealth. I hope that this top 5 has encouraged you and inspired you to think a little differently about money and about building wealth. If you want more information, I will add some links in the description for more resources where you can learn more about financial literacy and learn more about wealth. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that something that we've shared has been helpful to you. Give us a like, share a comment, and let us know. Remember, check out our website, Bizperation.com, and we'll see you at the next episode.